Classic Tales. Level 1. Lownu Mends the Sky. Retold by Sue Arengo. Read by Laura Lee King. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2011.
This is China in the old days. Every day the sky is blue. Blue, blue, blue. And every night the sky is black. Black, black, black. One day, a piece of blue falls. It falls out of the sky. "Look," says the big girl. "What is it?" "It's a piece of the sky," says the big boy. "Look, another one." "Look," says the little boy. "There's a hole. No, two holes. Two holes in the sky." Another piece falls. Another piece of blue. And another one. "Look, I can see the night sky," says the little girl. "But it's day." "Let's tell Lownu." "Yes, yes, quick! Let's tell Lownu." "Go and find the pieces." Says Lownu. "Go and find the pieces. All the pieces of blue." "Find all the pieces," says Lownu, "and bring them here." "Here's a piece," says the little boy. "Here's another," says the little girl. "Here's one," says the big boy. "Here's another," says the big girl. And the baby says, "Blue." The children find 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say the children. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. "Here are the pieces," say the children. "The pieces of blue sky." "How many holes are there?" asks Lownu. They count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh no! 20! "But we only have 10 pieces," say the children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. "We can have these leaves," says Lownu. "Look, here are 10. "No," says the little boy. "They're green. The sky is blue." The little boy cries. "I want the day sky to be blue. Blue. All blue again. Don't cry, says Lownu. Give me the pieces of blue. Go and play. I want to think. Night comes. Lownu puts her blue dress on the table and her silver apron. She cuts pieces. Pieces from the blue dress. Pieces from the silver apron. She puts them together. Good, says Lownu. Now I have 20 pieces. 20 pieces to mend the sky. Lownu counts the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lownu has all the pieces, and she has a spoon. Now she goes up the tree, the tall, tall tree. Up she goes, up, up, up. I'm up in the sky, she says. It's time to mend the sky. Lownu puts a piece on the spoon. Then, flip! The piece flies. It flies across the sky. And flap! It goes in a hole. Yes, says Lownu. Now another one. Flip! Flap! She does it again. Flip! A piece of blue flies. It flies across the sky. Then, flap! It goes in a hole. Yes, says Lownu. It's in. Now, it's time for another one. Flip, flap! All night, Lownu mends the sky. Flip, flap, flip, flap, flip, flap. Day comes. The sky is blue again. Blue, blue, blue. The sky is blue, say the children. Oh, blue again. Thank you, Lownu. Lownu smiles. Go and play, she says. Come back later. Have supper with me. That night, the children come. They have supper with Lownu. And now, she says, it's time for you to go home. It is dark, but the path is bright. The path is very bright tonight, say the children. Why is it bright, Lownu? Look up, says Lownu. What are they, Lownu? Ask the children. I call them stars, says Lownu. And the big one is the moon. Stars, say the children. The moon. Oh, Lownu, the night sky looks much better now because it's more beautiful.